guys, Rob from Iceboxauto here today. First of our first. This is going to be something unprecedented for this industry, and we like to bring you premieres and our unique dealings. So as you can see, this is an Astra J. It's got the NAVI 600 in, and today we're going to be putting this in, which is basically the OEM style. Now, if you're not aware, this has been out for years. This is obviously the latest version, but they've updated it through the years. And if you're not aware, you can't put this style in the NAVI 600. Only reason being is because the CAN bus of the CD400 is different to the NAVI version. So the particular model I've got in my hand is a RB5754, and it only has ever, over the last 6 years, been able to fit the CD400. We get many requests from customers asking if it'll fit this type of car, and you've always been put in the dark. And today we're going to do this for you. So what we've done, we've changed a new CAN bus. The factory manufacturers developed a new CAN bus for the car, which is basically for the NAVI version. That won't fit the Infinity speakers if you got the top end car, but if you got the navigation, then it will go in and it'll read all the car's computer. So let's crack on, and you'll see in a few moments the installed shot, and I'll show you a little run through of how it works. Okay, so guys, here it is, all fully installed and nicely put into the car with the NAVI 650 in. So as you can see, this is the OEM style, which I basically advised in early in the video there, and this is the finishing touch. So as you can see, the system works fully with the CAN bus of the car. This was always a no-no on this particular car up until the new CAN bus was released recently. So as you can see, I'll just use that's me on the steering wheel controls. And if I want to use the source button, I'll just change through the modes. There you go, goes to video, press the source button again, which is the SRC, should I say. There's the AVN and the radio. So obviously we'll do a tune on that in a minute, but I'm going to turn the volume down on that, for the reason being is obviously because YouTube put a censor on it if we try and play any other people's songs on there without their authorization. So I'll show you here though, that's pretty much the home page. So if you're familiar with our YouTube channel, you'd know a bit about this system, because obviously we've put a video for the CD400 replacement. But I just wanted to give you a little video just to show you how it works with the car's CAN bus and the car's computer information, just to show you that everything works fully in tandem with the system. So if we go into, let's have a little look, go into the car control settings. So as you can see here, you get a lot of the car's computer information up here on this system here, and things that you'd expect on the older system. Excuse me, a bit out of focus with my hand in there, but you can see it works fully with the car. So there's another little app there which shows you a bit of information about the car's computer information too. I'm not going to show you much on the video today, guys. The only reason being is because we've got a full video up on our YouTube channel for the CD400. It's just basically the same unit, but obviously installed into this car with a different CAN bus. So I'll bring it to an end, and if you've got any questions, just drop them in the comment section. Get onto iceboxauto.com, and there's a live chat box in there. You can contact us through email, admin@iceboxauto.com, or give us a call on 0151 334 2200. Thanks very much, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.